Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. I'm one of 20 Connecticut attorneys in the multi-million-dollar advocates forum, and I'm here to talk to you today about something we get asked about a lot, which is I've been in a car accident and I don't want to sue the other person. Do I have to sue them? And the answer to that question directly is no. A lot of folks out there, they're not lawsuit people. They're not suit happy. They never bargained for this. But what they found themselves in is a position where their car has been damaged. Their life has been changed. They have mounting medical bills. They have uncertainty about their future and whether or not they're going to be able to return to life as they knew it. Or they're in substantial and significant pain. And they're forced into a situation where they have to make a claim. And the decision whether or not to bring a lawsuit is ultimately one that is made by the client. And the best thing a lawyer can do is empower the client to make the right decision for their case. Now, look, sometimes insurance companies, they only offer pennies on the dollar of what a case is worth. So in order to get any sort of value at all, a lawsuit has to be brought. There's no two ways about that. But ultimately, it is the client's decision, and it is the firm's obligation to represent the client in a way in which they are comfortable with. And if somebody is not comfortable with bringing a lawsuit after they understand all of the consequences, understand the money that may be left on the table and the unpaid bills, or a whole host of other things, it's their decision whether or not to go through with that case and to file it with a court. And that's something that your lawyer should work you through, should help you understand the pros and cons of not doing it, and explain the process. Most of the time, folks are afraid that somebody who hit them is going to lose their house or something. But that's not the case. It's usually the insurance company that we are dealing with directly. And so the whole battle isn't between the person who hit you and you. The whole battle is really with the insurance company. So, these are just several of the things that you should know, and your lawyer should discuss the particulars of your specific case. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, 860-471-8333, or leave a link down in the comments for you. Thank you.